Hey everyone, just want to kind of show you something real quick here. I got a 2015 Honda Odyssey key, and you may be wondering how to change the battery on it. Well, it's pretty simple. First, take the key out. I mean, by the actual key that's inside this fob. Kind of do this kind of close up because I'm doing it kind of hands-free, but there's a little lever on the back here, or switch rather. You kind of push it over to one side, allows you to take the key out. On the inside here, just kind of close up, there are two raised pieces of plastic in the center. Maybe you can see them a little bit there. It is kind of close. There you go. See two little tabs. We take the key, and you can see the end of the key. They fit right in between those two. And basically, I take this off screen just so I can have a better hold of it. To show you, kind of push it right between those two pieces. Then you turn the key, kind of like you're turning a screwdriver, like so. Now you see the two halves of the case popped apart. Now, you can just lift it up, turn this over. On the inside, you got a CR2032 button cell 3-volt battery. It basically just pops out. You can take something to pry it up with. You know, even the key would probably work for that. Go ahead and try it. Basically, you might want to push these little plastic tabs back and so forth. But again, it's kind of hard to show on camera. I'm just going to set my phone right above it. But here, I can try it with a pen, just so you can see. Just to kind of get behind the battery and pop it out, just like so. Try not to drop it on the floor like I just did. And then basically reverse that process to put it back in. Just like so. Take it, slip it in one side with the new battery, and you'll notice, I think when I did that I thought I saw a light maybe on this, but anyway, just go ahead and pop it back together. Take the other half, just slip it over the top. You can see it's just kind of snaps back together. Make sure it's all lined up here. It's snapping. All I do is just kind of squeeze it together, and you put the key back in, and go ahead and take it for a test run. Make sure everything's working. Test all the buttons and everything, and you see the little light lighting up on it, so that's a good sign. And there you go. Pretty simple, and I'm sure there's other Honda keys that match this. This is from a 2015 Honda Odyssey that I just had to put a new battery in and so forth, and figured I'd share that with y'all. So anyway, till next time, go out and have some fun fixing stuff.